everyone, welcome back to another Booze Adventures adventure.
We're at the self-proclaimed UK's wettest theme park.
They're not wrong today, we're at a very rainy Thorpe Park resort. We're back. It's our first visit the 2023 season. Are you excited to be back?
I'm very excited. You know what? Low-key, this is one of my favourite parks in the UK. I like it because it's like...
Yeah.
It brings out the European.
Yeah, me is true self here.
I can be my true self. I fit in with, you know...
the clientele. But yeah, oh my god, it's very rainy. We're just going into the dome. It's very wet.
It is very, very soggy.
It's good to be back. Good to be back. Here we are. The dome. Dome smells good. But yes, I like the glitter ball. The trains are back out to promote the event.
And it looks good. Jobs a fun fact for you and me. These were the trains for X No Way Up.
Yes, they were. So let's go in order. You've got Mardi Gras, Carnival, Oktoberfest, and of course Fright Night. When the island shop opens, we'll go and have a look at some of the merch on offer. I know there's loads of new stuff here. Yeah, I'm excited.
It's going to be a good day. It's going to be a very good day.
We also need to find you a locker.
We need to find a locker because I'm going back to Leicester after this.
So he's got
very sad.
His bag with him.
Yes.
And if we don't find a locker, he'll just have to carry it.
Absolutely.
Which, to be honest, I wouldn't blame you if you did, because, yeah, I don't trust lockers. So I'm a weirdo. Yeah, let's head out. Let's go look at the Thorpe Park skyline. First time in 2023. Most excited, of course, to get back on my favourite, well, arguably my favourite UK coaster, Stealth. Like, I'm so excited. I just miss this place.
My favourite coasters here are Stealth, and sadly, this Colossus is closed today because if we rode Colossus today, we'd probably all die.
Well, we'll show you why.
Yeah, we'll show you why very soon. Yeah.
There is Saw, which I'm not a big fan of.
I like the Swarm one.
I like Nemesis Inferno, the only Nemesis running in the country at the moment. There is Swarm testing. No Ghost Train yet either.
No Ghost Train. No.
But I want to go and look in the new cafe while we're around there and have a little look at what's going on.
To be honest, there's a lot that's changed here this year. I know Ghost Train's not open yet, but a lot has already changed.
Yeah, I'm excited when Colossus is open. We'll talk more about what's going on at Colossus when we get around there.
Yes, you probably already know, but
for
the sake of
I'm excited to see what's changed about it when what is being done is done. So yeah, I think we're going to wait for Ashleigh Dan. We haven't got them yet, so we just need to wait for them to get here. They should be here soon. And then we'll decide where we head first. I think we might do Saw. Yeah,
potentially.
Get it out the way. So yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit.
So guys, Lou is about to open 3 75+ player packs. It's about FIFA pack every time. We're going to get Team of the Year, Ronaldo.
These are cool. So there's 16 pins to collect, and they're across the 3 main parks. So Chesney, Thorpe, and Towers.
So it's like match attacks, but for pin badges.
And you could get dupes. For all I know, these 3 could be the same, and this could be the most funniest clip you've ever seen.
Go on then. Go for the first one. What are we getting? Come on. 13. That's a goal. You like 13?
I'm so happy. 13 is, as you found out in our Towers vlog, one of my favourites. Let's go for
next one.
Pack number 2.
The big reveal. It's also 13. Ooh.
No, it's different.
Is it Nemesis Inferno?
It is.
Hey. We got a Thorpe Park resort now. Are we going to get Chesney for the last one?
Are we going to have it?
Are we going to get Chesney for the last one?
I highly doubt it.
Go on. What's it going to be? The big reveal.
We have a dupe.
Oh, outrageous. Thorpe Park resort. Come on. Come on.
We have another Inferno. That's
sell it on eBay, 50 quid next year. Right, so we are going to be heading into the lovely Thorpe Park resorts very soon.
Very soon.
I think
They
the
should
park
be
is
here
open
soon.
now. But yeah, it's going to be a good day.
So we're heading up to Soares, our first road of the day, and we're coming past Colossus. This is the reason we can't go on it. Where's the track? Where's the track, man? But yeah, it's getting a much loved re-track, which it needs desperately. Doesn't it?
It really does need a reach. It needs where are the new trains?
It needs some TLC.
It needs the same trains as Sick.
Sick. In its sick.
I've not even been on Sick, and I know they have better trains than this.
Yeah.
Get better restraints.
Yes.
Do better.
The restraints on this are horrific.
They are
The old ones
bad.
are better than the bloody new ones.
Yeah.
Go on. Everything's running today.
Dan is just in shock that everything is running.
Can we do a little sneak on Samurai while it's on 5 minutes? Because that doesn't need to be that great.
Should we go there first? Should we go Saw first? Or should we do Samurai first? Or where are we going? Hello.
Here and it takes forever.
Should we do this
let's
first?
do Samurai Walk.
Let's go. Change of plan, we're going on Sam. Ashleigh Lewis. She can't decide if she wants Cat or Lewis. Num num num. It's absolutely pissing it down. Oh, here it comes, here it comes. Let's get some footage. Let's get some footage, lads.
I'm going on a very sore ride.
We are now going on Saw. We've just done Samurai. That was running very well. We got some
good.
like we got some like sneak preview shots of Project Exodus's construction site.
We will show you a bit later.
All very exciting.
Definitely.
Who's seen this monstrosity? The double tea party. How dare you?
Nah, I think we should all actually cancel Thorpe Park for
Taking
getting
away
rid of
Tetley
Tetley.
Tea.
How dare you?
We are the Tetley Tea stand.
Rude.
But yes, we're going on my least favourite coaster here to get it out of the way. Pain.
I like it, it's good.
Pain.
I love being beaten up on a Sunday morning.
Tetley Tea and Durex are very similar packaging.
We're still at Saw. We've been here for like an hour.
This is a little bit bad.
Remember we were
Come
talking
on,
about
Thorpe Park,
Durex earlier?
Yeah, we are screwed.
This is moving at like, I know it's reduced
Snail's
capacity, yeah, but like,
pace. We're so
come
cool.
on, Thorpe Park Resort. You
We're
said it was
still
short for essential
outside.
cleaning, and then they
The
said
Chunder train didn't come.
they didn't send a spin dry train for about 40 minutes. It's kind of like, come on.
I genuinely was like offering to clean up the puke.
We're just we're done at
Do you reckon we
this
get
point.
fast track if we do it?
Yeah,
Maybe.
we'll clean up.
Do free fast track.
This is.
I'm pretty sure.
Give me a pair of gloves, some tissue, some anti-bac and some bags. I'll get it done.
I'm
Done,
pretty
son.
sure it was just they've tried to clean up puke, right? And put water on it, maybe a bit of sand, and then just spun it round and right twice. It's just
Can I just say that if you're not feeling well, can you not get into queue lines and roller coasters? Because this is the second time today that we've had to deal with queue on the same ride. In less than an hour, 2 people have chundered on the ride. And that's just,
we entered this queue at 11:15. It is now 12:05, and it said 50 minutes. And we're not even in the building yet.
It's 11 minutes past.
We've literally been here almost like
2 hours.
2 hours.
I've had a Scotch egg. So.
Yeah, we've had some Scotch eggs and chocolate.
This is potentially worse. No, it's not as bad as 13 at Scarefest, but like,
no, it is. This is
getting
worse.
there. It's getting there.
Yeah, well, the worst part was we were waiting 40 minutes for an announcement.
Yeah, it was so bad. Hopefully, we'll get on this thing soon.
We stayed in the queue line though because everybody kept on leaving, and we thought we were just getting so close to the front at the time that these people were giving us back that we thought, oh no, we'll just wait it out, but we should have gone somewhere else.
Yeah, lesson learned. We are avoiding sore for the foreseeable future.
Yeah, not until it's like dead. Which
Goodbye.
is never.
We will see you when we eventually get off this when I'm old and grey and have a walking stick. We did it!
Somehow, it was alright.
It was okay. It was nowhere near worth the wait, but we got on it.
George, God bless your soul.
Yeah, George, we love you.
I'm like tutting so much. Oh my god. The operations on the store is atrocious. I genuinely, I have never ever had it like that bad before.
Yeah, that is a shambles of a ride at the moment.
I've been at Chessington when they've had to e-stop the ride and they got it go quicker than that, and it was an hour queue line.
It's mental.
Ludicrous. It's now raining. So, yeah, thanks all.
Like, yeah.
Never again.
We've all made a pact that the 4 of us are not going to do that for the rest of the season. We're just like, no, done. One and done, innit?
100%.
Anyway.
The first person to break the pack has to buy a brand of spoons.
Yep. Yes, I'm so down for that. But yeah, now.
We just said whoever breaks the pack of not going on tour first has to buy a round of spoons.
Yeah. Or get the shots in. Get the shots in. Anyway, it's starting to pee it down with rain. We all need to pee.
So it's been 2.5 hours.
So we're gonna go to the toilet, and then I think we're gonna do Walking Dead before we grab some food.
Yeah.
So we'll see you guys over towards that,
See you
as I
later.
want to show you some ghost train shit too.
Yes.
So here is the Thorpe Junction Rail Depot. Lots of work going on here for the new ghost train. Darren Brown is no more VR like we've pointed out before.
2-1 Darren Brown.
Instead, you've got. You know what's happened? Like, remember the guy from Georgia?
This is going to be a proper.
Garden bit, isn't there?
It's actually going to be a proper, you know, good experience. I love the look of the cafe. The booths are like train seats. I'm in love.
It does look good.
We'll go and.
This could be the shop.
Yeah, we might go and have a little wander around there in a bit. Yeah, no, I'm impressed with how that's looking. Looking forward to the ride opening so we can come and check it out and give you guys our thoughts on what we think. Before we do Walking Dead, I think we're going to go and do Stealth because it's on 10 minutes. This is going to be painful in the rain. It's going to be very, very painful.
I've done surf in the snow, that was like painful.
Oh God, I don't rate her in the snow.
This weather is just like appalling, and the sort ops are appalling.
Yeah,
like,
look how empty Thorpe Park is. This is opening weekend.
yeah.
Look at this. This is dead. This is main lunchtime by KFC.
No one's here. They go swarming.
Yes, it's really quiet.
It is quiet. I sounded so enthusiastic back there, yeah. But we're going on my favourite coaster here. We're going on Stealth.
Stealth, mate.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. We're gonna go to the double tea party.
Yes.
Absolutely not. That is cancelable.
That is shocking. Please don't launch when the tree is in the way.
Do you know how bad I want to roll back?
The heavens have opened and it's still going. It's going.
That's gonna hurt. That's gonna hurt in the morning. Look at that, he's wrecking the
Oh, I'm a happy girl now.
So after queuing 2 hours for one of the park's most popular rides, we've just walked onto one of the park's most popular rides.
Like,
The best ride here.
it was actually almost redeeming of that shit show that was.
Yeah. That ride on there was brilliant.
I'm pretty sure that's the fastest I've ever been on it.
It's mental.
It was mental.
I absolutely love this bloody thing. Yes, lads.
Now I want to re-ride on that if we can. We're re-riding anything.
Yeah. That has made up my day. We're gonna go and eat. Me and Ewan are going Burger Kitchen.
We're gonna go cook.
A Pizza Hut, Kentucky Fried Chicken and a Pizza Hut. Yeah, we are separating here. We're gonna go Burger Kitchen. They're gonna go KFC. Then we're gonna meet up and do Walking Dead. Think they're looking good. See you in a bit. We have had the scran.
We're gonna go on the Running Alive.
We're going on the Walking Dead, he means. So!
Oh yeah, they do halloumi wraps. And we just had a Burger King, it was very good.
Yeah.
Fat scran.
Kufsi.
I can't believe it's too.
Oh my god, it's cold!
Man, it is actually freezing now.
It's so cold.
Oh my god.
They've introduced single riders on the Walking Dead too.
It's a 15-minute roll.
This is Dan's new bike, everyone.
This looks completely different actually.
This is like walk on. This is not 15 minutes.
I think it means 15 minutes from when you actually get onto the train.
Hang on, these are new.
That's new. All the signs used to be on the fence.
That's not new. They've added a barrel. There's some new theming. I like it.
And I'm not going to have goosebumps.
Literally. I love it. It's nice to see some theming as you didn't like the cubes.
Oh no, that's the funny.
Yeah, we're off to go run from the walkers. So
Gonna all the zombie notes.
we'll see you when we get off the run. It's so cold.
I'm not hosting.
Yeah, he has a heated jacket. This is not allowed.
It's evil weather. That man's taking his clothes off. Yeah.
Have a feel here.
Man's not
go.
he's got a heated jacket.
Oh,
Yeah.
we're just like
Toastiness.
Might get a Premier Inn.
Oh
there.
Jesus!
Premier Inns.
Staines premiering everybody.
Everyone go visit the Staines Premier Inn.
Staines.
That is the best ride I've had on The Walking Dead in the longest
Purely because
time.
of the actors. The actors.
The actors were back. The whole ending scene with the actors is better now. A guy has like a microphone and he's shouting at you to get out away from the
There's
walker.
new audio at the end as well.
Yeah, it is so good. And the walker has like a flashlight and it goes dark and he'll like swipe at you and turn the light on in your face like it's mental. It's so, I mean, yeah, no, credit to the team for that. That was brilliant.
Very, very good.
That was so good. Mr. B?
That was class.
What did you think?
That was class. The coaster is Walking Dead in it, but the actors made it today. The actors were on it and they actually tried to make you feel like something was happening other than someone going,
yeah, no, there was like a man on a microphone now, like screaming at you. Yeah, it was brilliant. I love it, I love it, I love it. I don't know where we're going next. I think we might be going to
Swarm.
Potentially Swarm. So yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit.
Opened some more coaster pins, did another FIFA pack opening. What have we got?
So we have 2 more dupes. We have another 13.
Oh.
We have another Inferno.
Oh.
But the new one, I'm a happy girl.
You got Cheze.
I'm a happy
You
girl.
got Stealth.
I'm a happy girl.
You got Stealth, absolute dog. We're going to do Nemesis Inferno now. What a ride, what a sensation. It's the only B&M invert in the UK that's actually running.
And it's the best one.
And it's got the original audio, so I'm happy.
It's the best one.
All the Thorpe redo audio is a bit but yeah, let's go on it. I keep not filming Stealth. She's not very happy, is she? Outrageous. It's outrageous.
Inferno is running so well. I love it.
I rode it in a drum box, guys. My coat is absolutely.
He's broken. Oh my god, yeah, look, they're sending people up the extended queue. What didn't happen to us?
We joined at 20 minutes.
It was very, very good. Very, very.
Very good, very nice.
Very exciting. It was very, very satisfying. Swarm is currently broken, so we're waiting for Swarm to reopen. Hopefully it does. And I believe we are going over to Roomba now.
Roomba.
To be honest, the state of the ride time for the roller coasters at the moment just speaks volume, because like all the big coasters are on sort of 20-35 minutes, whereas
And then you have Saw is on like 80.
It's ridiculous.
What's going on, Thorpe Park?
Hilarious.
Basically, like all the decent coasters are like under 40 minutes,
Like maximum.
and then you have that atrocity. Yeah, we went on that a good time.
I'd wait 35 minutes.
Yeah, Nemesis Inferno is worth like a 35-minute queue.
Yeah, I'd wait up to an hour for Nemesis.
I'm with you on that.
That's my max though, I'm not gonna lie.
To be fair, I think like, even though Stealth is my favourite coaster here, I think I would
Are you gonna get a video of this on steroids?
maximum I would wait for Stealth as well. It's about an hour, even though it's my favourite UK coaster.
Yeah, but we went on Stealth, it was 10 minutes.
Yeah,
it said
so
10 minutes,
worth
it was walk-on.
These look like they're on steroids this year. Look at it.
Jesus.
Look how choppy it looks.
I'll tell you what, don't worry about tidal waves being closed, there's one here.
Yeah, we might get a bit soggy, so we'll see you after. Well, Roomba is a bit of a soaker this year, to be honest.
Yeah, it really is. It always seems like everyone says this every year when it opens, and then our opinion always seems to reset, but no, it actually was a bit of a soaker.
Yeah, no. There's detonator going in the background. We're fast walking over to Swarm Island because we have just seen it testing.
It's going to be.
As it has been shut for a long time.
Like 2 hours, easy.
We keep looking at the app and we're like, no, no, no.
But
no action, no activity. And then we see one test train go. So we're like, mate, we're going.
Still closed.
It's still saying closed. We have time. Just chill. We're gonna go over there.
We're not running.
Watch it test, and then we're on the island for when it hopefully opens. As that's like the only coaster we got left to do.
And flying fish.
And flying fish. And then yeah. Also, if it's quiet when we're over there, we might as well get off and go back round.
Yeah.
Because it's been shut for so long.
We unfortunately couldn't do courses today, because unfortunately at the moment it's the power of the 7.5.
I love it. The funniest thing is, we were all walking over to stuff and then we saw this test train go. So we just completely started walking in the opposite direction, and poor Dan was like, what is going on?
He's not quite used to the enthusiast life yet.
As soon as you see something test even once, it's just like gravitate towards this place immediately.
At the end of the day, if it's not open yet, we can go and fly fish.
There's not that many people walking over there, to be fair.
Exactly, we can go and investigate the island. We've actually not even stepped foot over there at the moment.
A very strange one is depth charge right now is on 10 minutes, which I have never seen, ever.
Yeah, normally that's one of those tropes.
Could we do depth charge?
Because it's got the lowest...
You and love depth charge.
It's got the lowest height limit in the park other than flying fish, which means it's always for the families.
Exactly. Dan is just like...
Flying fish is currently walk on.
Dan is just like, the Thursday life is getting to me now.
You want to go on flying fish? Walk on.
I can just get the Swarm.
What, wait for Swarm?
Yeah.
Yeah, Dan is living the Thursday life now.
Yeah, I'm just going where everyone else is.
I've literally never seen it on the ramp before. It's always on the stairs.
Yeah, that's mad, to be fair. Please open, we love you. Oh, it's testing again.
It's got people in it.
Oh, it's got people on it. Goodbye, everyone. It's got people. It's got people! It's got people!
That's tiny shoelaces.
Low-key, the whole team has just run for this ride. Now!
Just get on it.
Oh. We got the Swarm Island ourselves!
Is that your pass hours? Mental.
Literally. I've not seen this island this quiet in a long time.
This is like everything except for Thorpe is quiet. Considering it's meant to be like opening weekend for a pub day.
It's literally walk on.
Nah, that's a joke.
The best joke you could ever have is when someone said, if you've got someone named Dennis, hey look, you tried to run me over. And the worst thing is when they go nodding, so no.
Yes, helicopter, helicopter. In fact, here it comes. Is it? Yeah.
That means it says closed on the app, that's jokes.
the wait again. It went down for a very short weather delay, well, just as we were literally about to be sent. But we waited it out, and yeah, it was worth it. That is still like a solid second favourite coaster here for me. Like, it was really good. Ashley was holding her pocket.
I had my phone in my pocket and I forgot to zip it up, so I was holding my pocket
like the whole way round.
Because I wasn't in a position where I could zip it back up again.
Yeah.
That was really good. I like Swore.
It was
It's
running
so
well.
good. All the coasters, apart from Thorpe,
Yeah,
And
are
Colossus,
running
of
really
course.
well. Actually.
Colossus is not running.
At least Colossus is closed.
Dan is checking out the events.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now this area is going to get so busy.
Yeah, because it's open. We did that at the right
It
time.
was a ghost town when we got up here, like literally there was no one.
Like, as you saw in the footage, we were like literally the only people on the island. We were just like running around like headless chickens.
Yeah, literally. we were running to the front of the queue and we didn't need to do that at all.
Literally.
It is 4:06. What do you want to do?
Oh, it's just 4:06. Should we go back on The Walking Dead actually? Fish? Should we do like
Fishy boy.
fish? Maybe like Walking Dead in stealth?
Get fishy with it.
Get fishy with it.
No.
That's still the best thing.
With it.
Nah.
But yeah, I think maybe, does that sound like a plan?
Oh my god.
Hey, Rush is 10 minutes to be fair.
Did he die?
Oh.
Damn asleep.
Well, Rush is on 10 minutes. That's not a bad. That's not a bad
Do
shout.
the fish, then do Rush.
Yeah.
Should we do like fish, Rush, Walking
Stealth.
Dead, and then stealth to end?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sounds like a banger.
Down for that.
They put her in the recovery position, so
Yeah.
she's in the recovery position.
That
So
is
she might
definitely a he.
Oh, mate.
Oh yeah, we shouldn't
Yeah.
assume.
So yeah, that's basically going to be the last like 50 minutes of our day, running around doing fish. Then we're going to go on the swing, the cool Rush, and then we will go on.
That's fast track.
That's fast track. Why are you going up the fast track?
And surfboards are left on the far side.
Fitchy has to go on the fish, then we're going to do the Rush, then we're going to do the Walking Dead, and then we're going to do stealth to end. So yeah.
Yellow line.
Here is the fish.
Get to the center of the platform.
Please let us on.
Yellow lines. Oh, and you gotta stay
Please.
seated with your arms, legs, and
She is running so well.
at all times.
No, that's on sure. Oh, I want to get on a fish right now.
So we had a 4-lap special on the Flying Fish, which was amazing. And then we've also just done Rush, which was nice to get back on there. I do enjoy it. I just wish this cycle was longer. It makes me sad. Because, yeah, it's such a good flat ride.
It is.
But the cycle is way too short.
It's what Alton Towers needs is a decent, like, long-running
Permanent.
flat ride.
Yeah, they need a permanent flat ride. Me and Ewan said it in our like Alton Towers vlog, as you guys have seen. The retro squad have just lost their
At the end of the day, Thorpe Park
appeal.
in one season decided to open 3 flat rides in the whole area, and that was a good idea.
Yeah, it is. Because when you have moments where the coasters go down, there are flat rides that are taking up some of the queues instead of people just standing around kind of like waiting. But yeah, we're coming up to our last few rides of the day here. So I think we're going to go ahead on stealth, and then if we've got time, we're going to run back on the Walking Dead. But we'd all rather do stealth again than anything else, so we're going to prioritise that first.
I think we'll have time to go.
I
The
do.
queue times are so low at the moment, even Soar's on 45 minutes.
Wow, it's dropped below an hour.
I know, right? It's still like an hour and a half left of the park being open as well.
So yeah, we're leaving a bit early today. Ewan's got to go back to Leicester. Ashleigh and Dan are having a nice
It's a late birthday, late birthday milk dad. His birthday on Friday.
So yeah, we're gonna head off a little bit earlier.
And it's rail replacement.
Yes, it's pain. But do you know what? I'm not that bothered that we're leaving early today because we've done everything.
It's starting to get dark already as well, which makes
Yeah.
it feel like we've spent a good amount of time here.
And the weather is just like, it hasn't been on our side, so it'll be nice to get home, getting the warm.
It hasn't offended me at all, the weather today though.
No.
It's
been alright.
Awful, it's actually put it in our favour.
Exactly. A rainy day at a park can sometimes be the best.
Exactly.
We got the best morning ever from Stealth Valley, which was basically ride at your own risk because it was chucking it down with rain.
Exactly, it is. It's been a really good day. And we're back in the not so distant future anyway.
Yes.
So anything we've missed today, we'll do like a mini vlog when we're back. Nothing too long.
Come back probably when the events start, maybe a bit before.
Yeah.
So I've enjoyed it. I want to do this park more this year.
Yeah, I've really enjoyed this park. I love this park.
Paul's gonna be shambles.
If we just try and forget about the shambolic process that we saw this morning.
Yeah, the only thing that's let it down today at all is sore.
Other than that, I'd actually say, considering it's like the first weekend of the open, the ride-up process has been outstanding.
Yeah.
Other than sore.
The other ride teams have been smashing it.
Like the rush
Yeah.
team, they got us locked in 30 seconds safely, easily.
It was so good. It was quick, and yeah, just no pain. Here we go then. The next time you see me will be to wrap up our day here, and we'll let you know how our re-rides went. So we'll see you soon. And so after a re-ride on the wonderful Stealth, our day here at Thorpe Park has come to an end. It's been a really good day despite the very slow and sore start we saw.
They were very questionable.
Yeah.
Like, it wasn't very good, was it? But the rest of the day, bang it.
It's been a really good day. It was lovely to be joined by these two. Like, you will see a lot more of these two on the channel this year, hopefully. We got some Blackpool and Alton Towers trip plans in the works, so.
We get Chesney next weekend.
Yes, they'll also be here at Chesney with us, so very exciting, very exciting. So.
We get to have a look at Jumanji, see what it's up to.
Yes. And now we're heading off to get Dan an ice cream donut before we leave.
What? A donut?
Yeah, we're going off to get your ice cream donut for the last part of our day.
What? I just want ice cream and donuts.
Have you had a good day?
Yes, I have.
Yeah.
Amazing day.
It's been really good fun actually.
If you don't know, I love the Jonas Brothers.
We're loving life. So yeah, that is it. Our next vlog on the channel will be
Chesney.
Chesney! We're going to Chesney for 2 days. So the first day is me and Mr. B. Then on the Sunday, you'll be joined by these two lovely people again.
Yeah.
So it's going to be a really good vlog actually. It's going to be exciting. Back at my home park.
Yeah, this is my home park.
Chesney is like my favourite, and that's not just because it's my home park. I just love it. It's a cute park. So with that,
We're done, isn't it? Like, I'm going home. I've got to go back less.
Yeah.
I've got to get feel from. Oi. If you pray for me because I'm getting on a Nat Express tonight, put a like in the comments. Yeah. Like in the comments.
yes,
Is it good that way?
probably.
Yeah. Basically, just like the video if you feel sorry for me because I'm getting on a Nat Express.
If you have enjoyed the content from our day today, please do like, comment and subscribe.
Yes. All of them things, and I will give you a thumbs up.
Yeah, please do.
Joking, I won't actually do anything.
If you want to keep up with all our adventures that are coming up. So with that being said, it is from Mr. B.
See you later.
Bye! And
Daniel Dearest!
Donuts! Well done.
from me, it is see you guys at Chesney.
See you later.
See you later.